guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make Chinese barbecue chicken or char siu chicken. This is a very popular Chinese recipe and I figured I'll go ahead and share it with you guys today. So here I have some chicken thighs. I went ahead and washed it up in lemon juice and stuff. And I have here the char siu seasoning. This is the Chinese barbecue seasoning. It's what gives the meat its signature red color. And I found this on Amazon if you guys are interested. And I have here some dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, some Chinese cooking wine, oyster sauce, garlic, ginger, honey. I have some brown sugar, Chinese 5 spice, and some white pepper. Next, we'll go ahead and combine all of these ingredients. We will mix well, and this is going to be used to marinate our chicken. Now we will add the marinade to our chicken, mix well, and then we will place this chicken in a Ziploc bag and sit it in our refrigerator overnight. You can cook this in about 4 hours, but the best results is if you let it sit overnight. And we all know that Chinese cuisine is very popular in Guyana, and I know my Guyanese folks will love this recipe. We all love that Chinese chicken and the pork. This is usually done with pork, char siu pork, but I am doing this for the guys that don't eat pork. You can still have it with chicken. We'll now place this in our Ziploc bag. And then I will see you guys back here tomorrow to show you guys how we will cook the chicken. It is going to be so delicious, guys. You will love it. Okay, guys, so here I have my baking sheet all prepped. I did line it with some tin foil just for easy cleanup because this stuff with the honey and all that, it burns and sticks a lot. So whatever pan you're using, you want to line it with the tin foil just for protection. And then we will place our chicken on top of the rack. The rack will help to roast the chicken nicely and all the air and stuff will circulate. It's not touching the sheet directly, it's on top of the tray for a reason. So, if you don't have that dough, it's okay. It will cook the same way. It won't be much of a difference. So we put the chicken on there and then we will place this in an oven of 355 degrees and we'll cook these for 30 minutes. Then I'll show you guys what's next. So while our chicken is in the oven, we will go ahead and make a glaze for our chicken. We will use some honey. We'll use some dark soy sauce. Now the dark soy sauce is different from the regular light soy sauce. It is usually thick and sweet and it's perfect for this recipe and we'll be using some of our char siu seasoning. We will combine them all, mix well, and then we will set it aside. After about 30 minutes, we'll go ahead now and glaze the chicken with that glaze. And then we will sit this back into the oven for about 20 minutes. Then we will glaze it again. Okay guys, so after about 20 minutes, we're now basting it for a second time. And this has been cooking for a total of 50 minutes in all, but we will put this back into the oven for an additional 20 minutes. And then I will show you guys the finished product. So after about 1 hour and 10 minutes, the chicken is finally done and it smells so good, guys. I cannot wait to dig in. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious Chinese barbecue chicken or char siu chicken. This is very popular where I'm from back in Guyana, and we love to enjoy this with some fried rice. So I'll be having mine with some fried rice and stir fried vegetables, and I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!